guys, I'm Yummy Pot TV. On my channel, I do live streaming. Please click the button to be one of my member. And if you will be one of my member, I will support all the events in your channel like premieres and others. Please watch out guys for my upcoming live stream. I will help you to grow your channel. So come and hurry guys. Please support my channel. Click the button to be one of my member, okay? I am here guys to support you. Let's love one another by supporting each other. And if this is your first time in my channel, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Thank you so much for your support.